Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, your 11th chapter is going on, that is geometry. As you have completed exercise 11A and 11B of this chapter, today we are going to continue with exercise 11C. We have started exercise 11C yesterday and we have completed question number 1 of it. And today we have to do question number 2, in which we have to find out the radius of the circle. There is given diameter of the circle in the question and you have to find out the radius of the circle according to the formula. The formula of finding out the radius of the circle is equal to radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So this is the formula. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Means the number which are given in these questions, you have to divide those numbers with 2 because it is given in the formula. So when you will divide those numbers by 2, so the answer will come just half of that number. So that will be radius of the circle. Let's see these questions. Question number 2. So be ready with your copy and book. Now this is question number 2 of exercise 11C. Let's see what is the diameters of circles are given. Find the corresponding radius in each case. So what here you have to do, here the diameters of the circle is given and you have to find out the radius of a circle. So according to the formula to find out the radius, so formula is radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. It means what will be the diameter, that you have to divide by 2. So here in first question you can see 10 centimeter is the diameter given. Okay, diameter is 10 centimeter. Now you have to put the formula of radius, that is radius is equal to diameter divided by 2 and diameter is 10, to 10 divided by 2. So when you will divide 10 by 2, what it will come in, how many times 10 comes in the table of 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. So 5 times 10 comes in 2's table. Okay, so 2 5s are 10, it means 5 centimeter will be the radius of 10 centimeter diameter. It means if the diameter of the circle is 10 centimeter, then the radius of it will be just half of 10. It means half of 10, it means 5 centimeter. Okay, so first answer is 5 centimeter. Now second question is 14 centimeter. So 14 centimeter is again diameter and you have to find out the radius. So you will put the formula radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Now once again you have to divide diameter by 2 and diameter is 14 centimeter. So 14 you will divide by 2. So how many times 14 will come in the table of 2? So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12 and 2 7s are 14. It means 7 times 14 comes in the table of 2. So 7 is just half of 14. Diameter is a full length line segment and radius is just half of the diameter. So 14 divided by 2, answer will come 7 centimeter and 7 is the half of 14. 7 2s are 14. So 7 is just half of 14. So 7 centimeter is the radius of question number B. Now question number C is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter is the diameter of a circle and you have to find out radius of that circle. So radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. It is the formula of radius. You will put diameter divided by 2. Then you have to divide 6 by 2. 6 centimeter is the diameter and 6 by 2, 6 divided by 2, how many times it will go? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 3 times 6 comes in the table of 2. Clear? And 3 is the half of 6. 3 centimeter is the radius of the circle. If the diameter will be 6 centimeter, then radius will be 3 centimeter. So in all the questions you can see, children, radius is just half of the diameter. Right? Radius is just half of the diameter. If the diameter is 10 centimeter, then the radius is 5 centimeter. If the diameter is 14 centimeter, then the radius is 7 centimeter. And if the diameter is 6 centimeter, the radius is 3 centimeter. Now the fourth question, question number D, is 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter is the diameter, and you have to find out the radius. So put the formula of radius. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Okay, diameter divided by 2. So 12 will be divided by 2. So how many times 12 comes in the table of 2? So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, and 2 6s are 12. Clear? So in table of 2s, 12 comes 6 times. So 6 centimeter is the answer of question number D. So diameter is full length, it is of 12 centimeter, and radius is just half of diameter. So half of 12 is 6. 6 2s are 12. So half of 12 is 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter will be the answer of question number 4. Clear? So what is radius? When you will take out the radius of given diameter, so it will be just half of that number, and when you have to take out the diameter of the number, then radius will be just double of this number. Clear? This is the only difference in finding out the diameter and in finding out the radius. So children, your today's homework is you will practice question number 1 and question number 2 again in your rough copy of exercise 11C. Once again, I am repeating the homework. You have to repeat question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 11C in your rough copy, in which you have to find, in first question you have to find the diameter, and in second question you have to find out the radius. So you have to do these both questions in your rough copy as a practice. And if you will have any query regarding any of the chapter which are coming in your annual examination, so you can ask me on WhatsApp group. And children, you have to learn the tables from 2 to 20 because it will come in your exam. It can be asked from anywhere. So 2 to 20 tables you have to learn properly and learn all the definitions by heart. Thank you and have a nice day, children.